Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today I'll show you how to make tasty veg starter veg coin or veg gold coin. Along with it, a tasty veg burger recipe. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Do share this video with your family and friends, it helps a lot. Here first I have taken 3 boiled potatoes and I'm mashing the potatoes. After mashing the potatoes, I am adding 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum, 3 tablespoons of finely grated carrot to the mashed potato. For seasoning, here I am adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce, 2 teaspoons of oregano that I am crushing with my palms. Mix all of these ingredients well. This is the stuffing we'll be using to make our veg coins as well as our veg burger. This is a zero waste recipe. We'll be repurposing everything that we use in this recipe. I have placed the written recipe at the end of the video. Do check it out. Here I have taken 6 milk bread slices. You can use brown bread or whole wheat flour bread too. Take a cutter or a bowl or the lid of a bottle, anything that is available to you, and cut the bread slices like I am showing you. These are the coins that we'll be using to make our veg coins. So prepare all the bread slices in the same way. Keep the leftover bread aside. Now I am making corn flour slurry. To make corn flour slurry, I have taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour. To that I have added 2 tablespoons of water and I have made a smooth lump-free paste of this mixture. Take a bread coin in your hand and place the stuffing on the coin like I am showing you. After you are done spreading the stuffing on the bread, brush some of the corn flour slurry over the stuffing. Coat the stuffing well with the corn flour slurry. After that, press some sesame seeds over the stuffing. If you want to skip sesame seeds, you can totally do it. Prepare all the coins in the same way. Now I have heated some oil in a pan for deep frying. Drop the prepared veg coin into the oil, bread side down. Fry these coins on a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn golden brown in color. Flip the coins and fry from the other side for 2 to 3 minutes more. After 3 minutes, take these coins out of the oil and drain off the excess oil. Fry all of the prepared veg coins in the same way. Serve these hot with some ketchup and enjoy. Now let's get back to our leftovers. Here is the leftover stuffing, here is the leftover bread. Crumble the bread with your fingers or even run the bread in a grinder to make fine crumbs of the bread. Add the crumbs to the stuffing and make a dough of this mixture. If the dough turns out too dry, add 1 tablespoon of water, or if it is too wet, add more breadcrumbs. After making the dough, divide the dough into equal parts. Depending on the size of your burger buns, make patties of this mixture. Simply flatten the dough with your hands or use a rolling pin to make the patties. Prepare all the patties in the same way. Heat a frying pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil to the frying pan. When the oil is hot, place the prepared patties in the frying pan. Cover this with a lid and let the patties fry on medium flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, flip the patties over. Now cover with the lid and cook for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the patties from the pan. These patties are spicy and tasty and flavorful. If you like a crisp coating on your patties, brush some of the cornflour slurry over these patties before frying them. Now let's season our burger buns. Into the same pan, I have taken 1 teaspoon of butter. When the butter starts to melt, add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of crushed oregano. Season the butter with the spices well. Now place the burger buns in this seasoned butter and coat them with the spices. Let the buns sit on low flame for 2 minutes. After that, take out the buns. Let's assemble our burger now. Spread some ketchup on the burger. Make your burger as per your taste. This is simply my way of making my burger. After spreading the ketchup, place the prepared patty over it. I have placed 1 cheese slice. You can add 1 or 2 as per your taste. Place some onion slices, few tomato slices, more ketchup, a slice of capsicum, and your burger is ready. Heat the burger in a microwave or on the same pan just to help the cheese melt. Take out after a minute and serve hot with some fresh fries. Do try these fun recipes at home and let me know how it goes for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.